If I could talk to God one-on-one like real nigga, I just ask him why. Never question you, but why so many of our peoples die? I'm not supposed to cause pain when I see my mama cry. I'm supposed to trust a nigga when I see my father lie. Nigga, it hurt. Why I can't clear my sins without going to church? And why I keep grinding for it when I see it don't work? I got 1 foot in the game, 1 foot out. Shit, I've been down and out. Can't find a job, don't wanna rob niggas, so I sold an ounce. Have you ever went and failed the mission? Fuck a politician. I remember watching mama struggle, ain't had no pot to pissin'. When she found out I was in the streets, she said, boy, ain't no snitching. This the bed you made no matter what, so you better fix it. I be riding around feeling touchless, don't know nigga want this. Fully automatic, Smith & Wesson, point at your direction. I know how it feels to lose a pill, you was out here reckless. Cause plenty jokes ain't had the heart to take that lady necklace. I could tell you, Lord niggas, how this life go. Them bullets fix your stomach up like it's lipo. You take 1 hit, then start dancing like you Michael. If you pay insurance, hood tax you like it's Geico. I've been riding around looking at stars through this sunroof. Got tired of lying, so I went home and I told truths. I remember being locked down in that bird coupe, running young and wild, chasing that Mercedes coupe. I've been riding around looking at stars through this sunroof. Got tired of lying, so I went home and I told truths. I remember being locked down in that bird coupe, running young and wild, chasing that Mercedes coupe.